Good evening, investors, and thanks for tuning into the forecast. I'm Jake Ackerman. What a week in the markets. Big tech earnings reports, Facebook, Amazon, Google, rough earnings reports. Forecast looking a little bleak, and that's probably due to inflation and supply cost. Apple holding up relatively strong, carrying the market. And then we've seen a inflation report. Inflation data came in lower than expected, and we've seen the markets really take off following that report. So we are rallying into the Fed meeting next week. The Fed meeting is going to be on Wednesday, November 2nd, and we're going to be told that the Fed is going to raise interest rates by 75 basis points. That's 0.75%, that meeting. But what guidance did they give us? Is it that we're going to get another 75 basis points hike in December, or are we going to get 50 basis point hike in December? They may give us an indication of which way they're leaning, one way or the other, but we probably really won't know until we get some more inflation data that's going to be released in November. So where does that bring us? That brings us to a really good place in the market leading into this Fed report, because of not only we get a lower inflation data today, we have an election the following week after the Fed meeting, and the market likes certainty. So, we are coming into a resistance area in a technical manner, but we do have the ability to break through that if we get the Fed saying, hey, we did some damage to inflation. We want to see how that works out. That's going to cause the markets to continue on their rally. Those things are priced in. So let's stay tuned. We'll check in after the Fed meeting on Wednesday. We'll give you our updates and what we expect going forward. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Jake Ackerman with Ackerman Financial Group. Expertise you deserve, experience you can count on.